Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
This is Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. Your wheels, of course, they are so important to the function of your vehicle, but they also serve a purpose. They're the bling as you come down the road. It might be the first thing people see, Rob, but these things are exposed to a lot of hazards and a lot of rough conditions out there. What are some things that can go wrong with expensive wheels on your car?
Well, thanks, Dave. We appreciate you having us today. You're right. The wheels are the jewelry of the car. People want their wheels to look nice. Curbs, curb damage, pothole damage, delamination of clear coat, anything that would be damaging or discoloring to the wheel, people want them to look nice. They want them back to the factory finish.
Something I see a lot is that delamination. How does that occur? What happens?
Scratches in the clear coat. It gets underneath of the clear coat and then it starts to peel, fade away, turn yellow, discolor.
So an alloy wheel repair, how do you fix all of those problems?
So first and foremost, we have a mobile fleet, mobile remanufacturing centers that go on site to dealers, body shops, tire stores. We fix their wheels on site, whether it's curb damage, a bent wheel, needs a full refinish. We can do those repairs for them on site.
And you can do all of that with one of these mobile units?
We can do all that with one of these units.
So what kind of fixes are we talking about? You can make right here in the truck?
Cosmetic damage, bent wheels, repainting wheels, recoloring wheels.
And so walk me through, what's inside?
Yeah, so when the technician goes to the dealer, body shop, whatever the case may be, they take the wheels off for the customer. They take it inside. The first location in the truck is a prep room. So they're breaking down the tire. They're straightening out the wheel if it needs straightening, basically getting the circumference back to the wheel. They put it on their prep bench. They're taking out the damage, whether it be the scratches, discoloration, whatever the case may be. They're prepping the wheel for the final coats. They take it into the next stage of the truck, which is a downdraft paint booth. Same thing you'd see in a body shop. They paint the wheel, clear coat the wheel, and it's cured under heat lamps. And then when it's cured, they put the tire back on, put it back on the car for the customer.
How long does that process take?
Usually about an hour a wheel.
That's incredible, right on site.
Right on site.
And what if my wheel, when you come to me, we find it's damaged beyond repair, there's nothing that can be done?
So we do have thousands of factory remanufactured wheels in stock. So if for some reason we deem it's unsafe to be repaired, or you just want new wheels, we can replace them from our inventory.
Okay, so I don't need a fix to get new wheels from Amazon.
You don't, and it's a fraction of the cost of a new one.
What does your technician need once he or she gets on site?
They don't need anything. The units are self-sufficient, self-powered, and with our partners over at PowerBox, we've been able to create a proprietary unit that has electric equipment aboard, which is quiet. It's much better for the atmosphere. There's no emissions, no refueling.
And you talked about painting. What kind of color options do we have?
So we have about 40 of our own proprietary colors that we've created with a private supplier. So our technicians know how to color match just about anything that's out there. We can even do black or multicolored wheels.
What if I have a repair that you can't make here in your mobile unit?
So for some reason the wheel is heavily damaged, it needs lathing, high polishing. We can send it back to one of our remanufacturing centers where they can do more extensive repairs, such as when a wheel like this one needs lathing or high polishing and powder coating.
How do you cover the whole country in alloy wheel repair?
So we have 100 locations nationwide. We also have 50 remanufacturing centers. We have hundreds of these mobile units across the country that go to dealers, body shops, tire stores, pretty much anybody that needs a wheel repair.
What happens if you can't get to me or I can't get to you?
So we have a ship and fix program. If you give us a call, let us know where you're at. We'll send you a box and a label, and you can ship your wheel to us. We'll repair it, and we'll send it back to you.
Who are your customers in alloy wheel repair?
Pretty much anybody that needs a wheel repair, but we primarily do work for body shops, dealers, tire stores, service centers, and the retail public. We have shops nationwide that you can come directly to, get your wheel repaired, get it recolored, get the bends taken out. Pretty much anything that you need we'll take care of.
How do I know I'm going to get a quality repair on my wheel?
It's a good question, Dave. All of our processes have been tested by a well-known and accredited facility. All our processes were deemed to be safe, and you can view those SCE certificates on our website. We pride ourselves in world-class wheel repair and a first-class customer experience.
If you've got wheels that are scuffed up or bent up, you can get them fixed right on your location. AWRSWheelRepair.com. These guys are the best. We'll return with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com in just a few minutes.
There are about 327 million people in the United States, and 67% of them have driver's licenses. Which state has the most licensed drivers per capita? We can tell you it's not New York. Only 59% of New Yorkers drive. At 88%, Vermont has the most licensed drivers per capita.